Hi Year 6. For this video, we will do practice 2, area and perimeter of composite figures. Compared to practice 1, this practice 2 is much more, a little more difficult than practice 1. There are 9 questions. I will be guiding 4 questions which I have picked. I picked the 4 questions because I think the questions are a little difficult and you might get your brain hurt doing it. Okay, so which one is the four questions? Okay, actually there are 5 questions which I will be using to guide you. 2A and 2B, page 89, and also 3A, B, C, page 90. I cannot show you the location of the questions in the book because there's answers already in that book, answers and also calculation. So I have to write on a different piece of different sheet of paper. Okay, so let's start with 2A, page 89. So this is the question for 2A. Find the area and perimeter of the shaded part in each of the following figures. A. 4 squares, each of the side 3 cm, are cut from a rectangle 25.4 cm by 16 cm as shown. Okay, find the perimeter and also area. This is the figure, the composite figure. First of all, you need to decide what kind of basic shapes this figure consists of. This composite figure consists of. You can see the basic shapes are rectangle and also square. There are 4 squares here. And how do you manipulate this one, rectangle, and also the square to get the area of the shaded part? First of all, you calculate the area of the rectangle, which is 25.4 times 16. And then, after you get the area of the large, this one, from here until here, including the squares, you minus with the 4 squares, the area of the 4 squares. What are the area of 4 squares? 3 times 3 times 4. The equation will be looking like this: 25.4 times 25.4 cm times 16 cm minus 3 times 3 times 3. 3 times 3, you will get the area of this one, and then you multiply with 4 because there are 4 squares. So you will get the area of the shaded part. I'm not gonna give you the answer, you have to calculate it. Okay, calculate it in your workbook. Now get the perimeter. Perimeter is easy. You take this number 25.4 and then you minus 3, minus 6. Why minus 6? Because here is 3 cm and here is 3 cm. So 3 plus 3 is 6. So you need to minus 6 in order to get the distance from here until here. Okay, after that, when you get the distance between here and here, you just plus 3 plus 3 plus 16 plus 3 plus 16. Again, the number of these here, plus 3 plus 3 plus 16 plus 3 plus 3. Then you will get the perimeter of this. Okay, if you don't understand or confused or you forgot, you can replay this video on how to get the perimeter and listen carefully. For 2B, okay, again, decide what kind of basic shape these composite figures consist of. The basic shapes are 2 triangles. Where are the 2 triangles? This one, here until here until here, triangle number 1. And 1, 2, 3, triangle number 2. So you need to use the formula of triangle. So how do you manipulate these two triangles to get the area of the shaded part? Okay. Alright, you need to look at the bigger picture. You take the area of the larger triangle and then you minus with the smaller triangle. Okay. Take the larger minus the smaller triangle. So the formula for triangle area is 1/2 times base times height. Okay, first of all, 1/2 times base. What is the base of the larger triangle? This is the base of the larger triangle, 6 cm. So 6 cm times height. Where is the height of the larger triangle? This one. From this point until this point. Okay. This point until this point. So 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. So this one is the larger triangle. Now minus the smaller triangle, 1/2 times base. Where is the base? Again 6 cm times height. Where is the height? Okay, this one is not the height. Okay, the height is here. Okay, from this one until this one. How do you get this one? You go to the right, you see this one, 4 cm. Okay, from here until here, from here until here, 4 cm. So 4 cm. And then you calculate 1, 3. 3 times 10, 30. Minus 3 times 4, 12. So 30 minus 12 equals to 18 cm square. So this is the area of the shaded part of this triangle. Now get the perimeter. Perimeter is easy. 10.4 plus 5 plus 5 plus 10.4. So it will be equal to 20.8 plus 10, 30.8 cm. Easy. 3a. The question is, the figure is made up of rhombus and an equilateral triangle of side 10 cm. Find the perimeter. Okay. So they give you already rhombus and equilateral triangle of side 10 cm. Equilateral triangle means that all the sides are all equal. 10 cm, 10 cm, 10 cm, 10 cm. So this one must be 10 cm as well. Okay, 10 cm as well. But what is the length of this one and this one? Okay, rhombus, the shape of rhombus, this side is the same as this side. If this is 10 cm, then this one is also 10 cm. Where is the shape of the rhombus here? This one. This one, this one, and this one. Okay. So here the side is also 10 and the upper one is also 10 cm. So now you can get the perimeter of the shape. So 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. So 10 plus 10 plus 10 is like 10 times 5. Okay. So 10 times 5 equals to 50 cm square. Easy. Okay, last question, 3c. X and Y are squares of area 81 cm square and 36 cm square respectively. X 81. We label 81 cm square. And Y is 36 cm square. Z is a right angled triangle. Find the area of Z. Okay. Now you have to remember this one x and y are squares. Okay, squares. So what is the formula of square? This one times this one. Okay, this one times this one. Okay, what times what is 81 cm square? This number must be the same number because square, all sides are equal, so these two must be the same number. So what number times what number equals to 81 cm? Area of x, yeah, 81 cm square. So side of x is 9 times 9. 9 times 9. Why 9 times 9? Because 9 times 9 is equal to 81 cm square. If 8 times 8 equals to 64. 7 times 7 equals to 49. 6 times 6 equals to 36. 5 times 5 equals to 25. So it is 9 times 9, 81 cm square. So when you get 9 cm, this one must be 9 cm as well. Now we get the length of this one. Now we have to find the length of this one. Okay, area of y equals to 36 cm square. So the side of y is what times what equals to 36. It must be the same number. Okay, 1 times 1, 1. 2 times 2, 4. 3 times 3, 9. 4 times 4, 16. 5 times 5, 25. 6 times 6, 36. So side of y is 6 cm. 6 cm. 6 cm. Okay, when you times these two, 6 times 6, you will get 36 cm square. This one you have to remember the multiplication table. Okay, so when this is 6 cm, this one must be 6 cm as well. So now you get the shape triangle. This one 9 cm, this one 6 cm. Now you can use the formula of triangle, which is z equals to 1/2 times base times height. 1/2 times base. Well, which one is the base? This one, 9. Times height. Which one is the height? This one, 6. So you simplify 9 times 3, 27 cm square. So z is equal to 27 cm square. Okay. Now I want to give you some exercise from the workbook. This is the list of your homework or exercise. Please do it, okay? So practice before you sit for your final year examination. Okay, practice 2 from this chapter. Question 1, question A and B, page 87. Question 1, C and D, page 88. Question 3, B, page 90. So you have to complete 87, 88 and also 90. Okay, thank you.